என்ன பாரு Rio, okay? Rio. He got the patience to understand the parrot. It will take nearly a week time for them to get along. Hey, what's up guys? It's really nice meeting guys. And today I'm just with my sisters and brothers kids.
Hi.
They just came to see my dog. They are also having YouTube channel. They wanted to take video with Byro. Let's see how they are interacting with my dog. Let's go see it guys.
High five. High five, Byro. High five, good boy.
Actually, அவர் வந்து இந்த கிளி மேல தான் குறியா இருக்காரு.
Byro, sit. Good boy. Byro, second. Good boy. Byro, high five. Good boy. Byro, jump. Byro, jump. Jump. Good boy.
He's having a dog biscuit. He's really more excited on this parrot Byro. So what we are going to do now is we are going to make dog and parrot as friends. So let's try that now. Give her. Rio, Prince. Good boy. The biscuit. Biscuit. When you are training dogs and parrots as friends, you have to take time to interact with each other. Never allow parrots to immediately go near dogs because dogs will be more excited to grab them. Byro, no solirken. Sit. No. No, okay? No. Give her. என்ன பாரு Rio, okay? Rio, good boy, okay? Rio is a friend. உனக்கும் friend எனக்கும் friend. எனக்கும் உனக்கும் friend தான் உனக்கும் friend தான், okay? Byro, இங்க வா, come. Sit. Byro, no சொல்லிருக்கேன். Okay? No தான், okay? Prince. நம்மலாம் friends மாதிரி. அதே மாதிரி நீயும் அவங்க friends, okay? நீயும் Rio friends. Okay? Rio, good boy. Rio வந்து no சொல்லிருக்கேன், okay? No தான். When you are training two other species together, you have to spend time with the other species other than dog. The dog obviously they will come to understand that okay, parrot is also our friend. So like that they will get to know each other. It will take nearly a week time for them to get along. Hi. This parrot actually came to their house 8 months back. Actually, it was hurt, right? Yeah, it was injured. After he got alright, they set him free, but he didn't go away. Second. Yeah, good boy. Superb. They really trained well. Byro, no solirken. Okay? He got the patience to understand the parrot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really nice being with them. They all were confusing with the commands. Byro also got confused. Just enjoy each and every second, guys. Let's see our next video. Bye.